Did you know there's a place in America where you could literally get away with murder? It's called the Zone of Death, 50 square miles inside Yellowstone National Park, where the Constitution creates a perfect loophole for criminals. Here's how it works. This area sits in Idaho, but falls under Wyoming's federal court system. The Sixth Amendment says you have the right to a jury from the state and district where your crime happened. But nobody lives in this part of Yellowstone. Nobody. So assembling a proper jury becomes impossible. A law professor discovered this flaw in 2005. He published his findings, warning Congress about the danger. 2 years later, a poacher named Michael Belderain actually tried to use this defense when caught illegally hunting in the zone. Prosecutors quickly moved his case to Wyoming court. He pled guilty, but the constitutional defect remains unfixed. Legal experts still debate whether someone could commit the perfect crime in this remote wilderness. The loophole exists. The question is, will someone be bold enough to test it?